All right, we are live. Welcome, everyone. So we had to just switch channels because the stream wasn't really working out. We were testing out something new, but welcome back, I guess. All those viewers that were on the previous stream, welcome. Hopefully you will enjoy watching. So, for anyone who wasn't at the last stream, here's our guest, Travis. Please introduce yourself.
Hey, Travis from A-Power Design.
Awesome. We are very happy to have him on our show today. Without further ado, let's get right into it.
Yay!
Okay. Okay. So let me just. Okay. So.
Are we actually live? Because I'm on your channel and I don't see.
Yes. We should be live. Let me see. Just check quickly.
Is it?
I don't think. I think if you just type in, should be somewhere.
Oh, no, it says live now. Okay.
All right. So then it should be there.
Here we go. Yeah, I got it.
All right. Awesome. Wait. I have to get back to. Where did my tab go? Okay. So here is our first article. This is mine, and I thought it was pretty cool because it's a 3D printed little tool that helps find nerves and veins and stuff. And these are some of the prototypes. And here's the printer they used and the model. And I think it's really cool that people have found a use for 3D printing in a way like this. Because, like, I would have never imagined like making one of these, and I think this is really outstanding and cool.
I could say that a lot of lives, and 3D printing is awesome because it can do a lot of good and help people out.
Alright, so let's get on to the next article.
So this is my article. We'll talk about this more once we get to the Kickstarter section. But basically, the AllForge is a really cool injection molding machine, except it's really inexpensive compared to most injection molders, and it smashed its campaign goals fairly fast, and it looks like it's doing really well.
Alright, let's get on to the first Kickstarter project. So this is, it's a kid-friendly 3D printer, and it's really cool. And I was saying previously on the other stream, I'm not sure if people were able to hear, but I think these are really great for schools and stuff, especially elementary schools, because they look really safe and kid-friendly. I could totally just imagine like kids in kindergarten learning how to use 3D printers using one of these.
Yeah, that's the whole thing. The safety thing is something that you want to keep away from smaller, or most 3D printers you want to keep away from smaller kids. So this is a really amazing thing if they can actually pull it off.
Yeah, and it looks like they have a bunch of cool materials that are pretty cheap also. Let me just get there. So there's some of their PLA and like color changing, and then flexible and metal. So it's pretty cool.
That's really cool. Yeah, 3D printing in schools is like super awesome. It teaches kids about just like engineering because you can make whatever parts you can think of and design.
Yeah, my daughter's actually 5. She's entering kindergarten now, so she'd be perfect for this. She loves my 3D printers as it is already.
All right, let's move on to the next article. Or, I mean, the next Kickstarter, which is just this.
Yeah, so I cannot find the link to the Kickstarter project, but we'll just talk about it from here. So basically, this machine is like similar to a normal injection molding machine, except it can do tons of different materials. You can 3D print molds, so you can make custom parts because with 3D printing it takes a lot of time to create parts if you're going into production, but if you have this machine you could 3D print the mold, and then you could make it a lot faster. You can do like chocolates, plastics, metals. There's a few different versions, and compared to most machines it is a lot cheaper. And the other thing is the build area isn't huge, but I mean, if you go into production with small parts, it looks like it would work awesome.
Yeah, I still don't know about this one. It still seems like a believe it when you see it kind of thing. It seems too good to be true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just like the Olo, I still have some thoughts on that. But yeah, that is a talk for another day. So, all right. So let's get on to Thingiverse. Well, this is my mini factory, but as many of you guys may know, if you watch my videos, I've been doing a lot of filament reviews, and I've been printing out like these little pistons, but it's nothing like this. And I thought this was really awesome, and it looks really cool. It looks really complex, and I wanted to print one of these, but I haven't found the time to do it yet.
Yeah, I mean, that's a lot of parts and a lot of assemblies.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that looks like
a different colors and stuff.
But it's awesome, though. It looks awesome.
Oh, yeah, it looks amazing.
All right, next thing.
So this is my cool Thingiverse model. I originally read an article about this a while ago on 3Ders, but basically it's a really cool print. It has some electronic components, but it sorts the Skittles into all of the different colors for
that's crazy.
people that like them all in different colors.
Yeah,
and it looks like a really fun project.
Cool.
It's like
really cool.
A really fun, unnecessary project.
Yeah.
It's like the whole point of making stuff, something unnecessary, but it's still fun.
Yeah.
For sure.
It's a really fun project.
You know, and imagine you could put different things instead of just Skittles, like M&Ms or all sorts of different cool things. And this is a perfect example of combining electronics and 3D printing.
Exactly.
3D printing alone, you can do a lot of cool things, but once you start adding electronics and moving parts and all sorts of different things, it becomes awesome.
That's awesome. Okay, so I think that is all we have, unless, Travis, do you want to say anything or add anything?
Not really. I mean, this has been fun. You guys come check out my channel too. If you haven't seen my channel, I'm sure most of the people in here have seen it so far. But I'll be live streaming tomorrow too. I hope you guys are there. Probably around 4 p.m. California time, which is Pacific Standard Time. And I'm going to be doing both of these guys' logos pretty soon. We'll look forward to those.
It's really awesome. If you guys are wondering why Travis doesn't have links, he didn't have time because he's so busy making awesome logos.
Yeah,
oh, man.
That's okay.
That is just fine.
But it was great having you on the show, and yeah.
For sure, and I'll have you on sometime on my channel too.
Yep.
All right,
you guys. Later, make sure you subscribe to all of our channels.
Bye, everyone.
Talk to you guys
Bye.
later.